Gemini, 21 degrees, a labour demonstration. This is a symbol of man's unimpeachably universal spirit and of his realisation that the lines of property and private rights, which he finds entrenched all around him, are limitations without validity, except as they constitute a social stewardship. Implicit in the reverse symbolism is the fact that right and justice only prevail to the exact extent a conscious effort is made to establish and maintain them. Individuals and groups will prosper as they dramatise their own justification effectively. The key word is representation. When positive, degree is consistent courage in attacking major problems at any cost of minor well-being or inconvenience. And when negative, futile ill will and bluster. Sagittarius, 21 degrees. A child and a dog with borrowed eyeglasses. This is a symbol of man's unimpeachably universal spirit and of his realisation that there are no absolute lines of demarcation between higher and lower life, or between the varying stages of competency to be found in each. Self-consciousness requires a supplementation of its capacities in the structures and materials of each particular plane of being, and individually develops as it enters into reality through its own characteristic modes of insight. The key word is examination. When positive, the degree is an exceptional skill in the analysis of personal opportunity throughout the many dimensions of experience, and when negative, distorted vision and self-defeating prejudice. The truth of who we are, found in examination, is the freedom to be me, united in representation. Through the lens of the spirit, we lend insight to see. A truth that unites us is our true destiny. What we claim as our own rights, land or decree, are the limits that bind us until we validate in unity. Yet looking within, past illusion's tight weave, between the high and the low is just the truths we perceive. A spectrum of light where all souls interleave, and the call of the whole is the call we receive. So we rise with the vision, both clear and unbent, to tend every realm where our energy is spent. With our courage aligned to the truth we present, our growth is assured and our purpose is sent. Life is a test to the truth of that I am, freedom found in unity, represented within the exam.